Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube something went wrong. So guys, when you open your YouTube and facing this type of issue, as you can see when I am clicking on try, then guys facing this issue again and again, as you can see here. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings on your phone. And guys, after opening your settings, simply you need to click on Wi-Fi. And guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, as you can see here. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back. And guys, secondly, you need to go back and guys open Play Store here in your phone. So guys, maybe it is update problem in your phone. So guys, simply you need to update your YouTube from here. So guys, as you can see, simply you need to open your YouTube. And guys, you need to update if not updated. So guys, my app is not updated. So guys, now I am going to update this app. And guys, after update, we will check that our problem is fixed or not. So guys, you need to wait for a few seconds. And guys, now you can see my app is update complete. And now I am going to open this app and check that problem is fixed or not. So guys, as you can see here, still not fixed my problem. So guys, still not, then guys you need to go back, open your settings again. And guys, after this, here you need to find app management. And guys, after this you need to click on app list, and here you need to find YouTube. So guys, simply you need to search here YouTube. And guys, after searching it, you need to click on, here is the option that is storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click on storage, clear data or clear storage. So guys, you need to do this. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and guys open your YouTube again. And guys, check that problem is fixed or not. So guys, as you can see here, you need to wait. So guys, now you can see my problem has been fixed. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to fix this problem easily. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.